Hello children. So today we are going to study lesson 12 of your English grammar, that is a tale not a tale. Yes, a tale not a tale. So open page number 42. So here there's a short funny story I'm going to explain to you, and then there are question answers related to this chapter that I will send you with a PDF. So let's start. First, I want to tell you the difference. T-A-L-E, tale, means story, okay? And T-A-I-L, tail, you know what is tail? Which is present at the back of, you can have seen in back of monkeys, in back of dog, cow, horse. The part which is present, that is tail, T-A-I-L, tail. But there is the pronunciation is same, but there is a difference in the spelling and meaning as well, okay? So this story is about the thing many of you children have the habit of not learning the spelling, and it can make a lot of difference if you don't learn a spelling. You think that okay, we have learned, what is there to learn spelling? No, there is a lot lot of importance in learning the spelling, because if you spell the word wrong, it can make a lot of difference in meaning, okay, as you will see in this story. So a tale, T-A-L-E, tale, is a story, and a tale, that is T-A-I-L, well, if you look behind a monkey, a dog or a horse, you will know what a tale is. Jimmy went to school just like you. So there was a boy whose name was Jimmy, and he also used to go to school just like you all go. But Jimmy did not like to read, and he simply did not like to spell. But Jimmy was a lazy boy. He did not want to read, or he did not want to learn the spellings. Jimmy liked to be read to, and he liked listening to stories that his mother told him. So he doesn't want to read the stories, but he wants other to read the stories to him. Means he would prefer to listen to the stories rather than reading. "Oh mama," he said one night, "your stories are just not long enough. I would like a tale that goes on and on, a really long one." So one day when his mother was reading out a story to him, he says that, "Mama, your stories are very short. You just start and it gets finished within no time. I want a story that is very long, that just goes on and on till I am satisfied. So it must be that long." "Well, you can go down to the garden," said his mother, "and leave a letter for the brownie who lives there. Ask him for a really long tale that you can read." Now children, brownie are the imaginative characters that are present in fairy tales. The person who is too little mischievous and who has got magical powers, okay, so that character in fairy tales are called brownie. So mama says that okay, if you don't like my short stories, then you can do one thing, that you can write a letter. You can go in the garden and you can just leave the letter for brownie. So the brownie will take that letter and he will read your wish, and he will make your wish come true, because brownie have got magical powers. So the next morning, Jimmy took out his pencil and some note paper, and he wrote. What did he write? You can see in the box here, this pink color box. "Dear Brownie, will you please give me a long, long, long tale?" T-A-I-L, tale, he has written. "Thank you. Love, from Jimmy." Now see what he has done. He wanted T-A-L-E, tale, that is story. But because he doesn't know the spelling, what he has written? T-A-I-L, tale, that is pooch. We say it in Hindi, right? So see what problem he has created. How had Jimmy spelled T-A-L-E? Was it right? No. The brownie got Jimmy's letter and he was puzzled. Puzzled means confused. He scratched means doing like this in confusion, his head, and said, "Well, if the boy wants a long tail, I'll give him one." He was confused that why this boy wants tail, T-A-I-L, tail. But okay, if it is his wish, I'll give one long tail to him. That is pooch. The next morning, Jimmy woke up with a shout. There was something very long and brown and furry. Furry means full of hair around his legs. He stood up and saw that it was a fine long tail, tail, tail pooch. So next morning what happened? Jimmy woke up and he was very scared. He started shouting because he found that he has a long tail. Mama, he yelled. Yelled means shouted. Look what the brownie has given me. His mother laughed. You must have spelled tail wrong. He gave you what you wrote, T-A-I-L. So Mama understood that he has in a confusion of T-A-I-L tail and T-A-L-E tail. Means this Jimmy has written T-A-I-L and so the brownie has given tail, that is T-A-I-L tail. Now what do I do? Asked poor Jimmy. Write another letter to the brownie and spell it correctly this time, said his mother. Now mother said, no, we can do nothing. You have to write another letter to brownie and this time you have to write the correct spelling of tail, that is T-A-L-E tail. Jimmy wrote another note. It said, Dear brownie, please take away my tail and give me a tail instead, means story one tail. The brownie was cross. This boy does not know what he wants. He growled. He got angry. What is he doing? Sometimes he is asking to give tail. Another time he is asking to take away the tail. What does this boy want? He got angry. He took away the tail but did not give Jimmy a long tail instead. Means the long tail, T-A-I-L tail that Jimmy was having, he took it away but he did not give a story instead. Jimmy was happy that he no longer had a tail. And do you know what? He is the best at spelling in his class now. Now this whole incident taught him a lesson. Now Jimmy knows that the importance of spelling. Although he did not get that story from monkey, but he was very happy that at least my tail has gone now. The pooch, the tail has gone, and he was very relaxed and he was very happy. And after that, what he learned? He said that now I will always learn my spellings properly so that I can never make any confusion or any mistakes in future. And so he started learning all the spellings nicely and he was the best one in the spelling in his class after that. So at least he got a lesson from this whole incident. So children, this is the story, funny story. I hope you have understood, and the question answers you will get as a PDF. Thank you.